Hi guys, so today I've got something a little bit different to share with you all, and this is what we're going to be looking at today. So I've got no information here apart from this gorgeous little bag, and it just says give me pick and mix, a little mix of everything. So this must be quite a good selection, cross section of all the products that they sell on their website. I think it is valued at £62. I had a look, however, they're selling it for £29. So I'm not sure what is inside it or anything else, but let us get straight in. But they do say that I think their aim is to try and bring beauty things to women of all ages. Yeah, so let us see. Right, so we have the hair mask, which I cannot wait to use. I'm very excited about that. We have the bubble mask. Again, I haven't used a liquid bubble mask. They've always been sheet masks, so I'm interested to give that a go. The eye patches, which I'm excited about. I do like using an eye patch. The two lip scrubs, so it's Mango and Mojito. Again, I do not have any lip scrubs, so this is a great product for me. The little face mask paddle, just to sort of applicate it, which again is a great product and something I don't have. The pore strips. And then the face mask, which is the hyaluronic acid face mask. Everybody needs that in their life. And the mitt for the exfoliating mitt. So that is everything there. I think that's actually a really good price for £29 because these are full-size products. So I think that's really, really good. I think it's a really nice selection of products. And I'm excited to try them out, especially the hair mask because I love hair masks. See you later, guys. Bye for now.